Welcome to my channel. Here I will show you tricks that are useful for everyday life. How are you today? May our day always be easy and always happy. I would like to thank those who have subscribed to my channel. And I really hope you subscribe to my channel by pressing the subscribe button. We smooth it evenly using sandpaper. Do you like my video? If you like it, please press the like button and share it with your friends. Do you have any input about my video? If you have, please leave a comment below. Which country are you from? I really enjoy getting to know people all over the world. Apart from making more friends, we will also increase the knowledge we gain. It uses green stone. We say it in the part we made earlier. This tool was used to clean the lime scale on our beloved wife's iron. Let's do it now. Do it evenly and skillfully to get very satisfying results. Once finished, we clean it using a cloth. What do you think about the results? This is the video I shared. See you again in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the like button and share with your friends. See you in the next video.